Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I want to show you how to add a currency converter on your calculator on your iPhone. Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. And this is going to become particularly useful. Let's say that you're traveling to a different country and they don't use the US dollar. How do you actually go ahead about doing? So the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to open up the calculator. Next, on the bottom left-hand corner, you want to press the calculator icon. Now, once you've done so, you're going to see this toggle button that says convert. If you click on that, you can see that right now I'm just using a basic calculator. So 50 times 5 equals 250. But if I click on the calculator icon again and then toggle on convert, you can see I now have a dollar to Japanese yen conversion. So what you can do here is that let's say that something is 5,500 yen in Japan. You can click on the Japanese yen row, type in 5,500, and there you have it. That is 37 US dollars. Or vice versa, let's say that you have 100 US dollars, it'll automatically convert it into Japanese yen. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on the currency converter on your calculator on your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.